2010 Mini hood latch problem. I had a hood latch problem and I've gone underneath of this car and fixed it, but we're going to show you what it takes. So in this case I had snapped it back, and there's this junction box that takes from the inner hood release to both of the hood latches. So we need to undo the hood latches. First, let's take a look at this junction box. So I got my little pick in here, and I snapped this back, and we'll see that this ball has snapped out of the socket. So we'll bring the socket back here and put the ball in. No problem. And then we will snap this back. So the first hood release, we'll jack up the car, and you'll see in here that there is a plate. And if you can get this plate to be pushed back, it will release. Like, let me get a better angle on here. Like such. Like that. Get that focused in there. Yeah. And so how we do that is we jack up the car, and from underneath we'll move this radiator off of its little mounting down below there, if you can see that. And we'll grab a screwdriver and use the screwdriver to come under here like such and push on that plate to open it like such. On the other side of the car, the other latch, we'll have to take off the wheel and take off the fender wheel liner and grab a pry bar in this case, come up through, and you'll be able to see this barely, and push on that, if we can get that here, push on that plate, and you'll have to take a little doing here. You see that? It's coming in there, just like that. And that will release. Get it up here like this. There we go. And that will release both latches, and then you can open the hood, and it will. You can fix that junction box, as I said before. I hope you enjoy that. That took me a little while to figure out. Bye-bye.